Hi everybody, just wanted to do this video for the accessories for the Rebel 500. Just picked up this one. It's a 2021. Just picked it up a couple months ago, and didn't really see a whole bunch of videos with the accessories showing on the Rebel, although I did see it on the 1100, one of those advertisements, and it pretty much looks like this. But for those of you guys that are interested in buying this, the two saddlebags and the rack and the backrest, and when I bought this bike, it didn't come with the passenger seat, so I had to buy that too. So basically, the left saddlebag is a lot bigger than the right one because I guess there's more room since there's no muffler on this side. So this is the nylon one, but looks like there is a leather one. So this one had the zippers here. So you just zip it up and then you strap it down this way. The left side, of course, is the smaller one since it's above the muffler. So I got all my gloves and bike cover. I got the cargo net all on this right side, so I pretty much just use that just to carry all that stuff, and the left side I can just put whatever's in. And the rack, I did use the rack last week for strapping on my little lunch box, so it worked pretty good. I mean, this bike for me is just going to be for recreational use, but I just wanted to try and take it to work one day. So oh yeah, just for note, I did strip that little bolt that holds the seat down because I was using one of these instead of one of these. So don't make the same mistake and go to your hardware store and get one of these 3/8 inch ratchet type Allen heads, and use a ratchet to take off the bolts because they're really torqued on pretty tight. I'm guessing like from the factory. So hope this helps. Hope this gives you a good glimpse on what these Honda accessories actually look on a 500. It's working pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied with it. So, all right, that's about it. See ya.